Hey Pony Pals, it's Emma from Paint Pony Studios, and today I have something very exciting. I'm so excited. So almost 6 months ago, I ordered a 1/9 scale Iron Spider figurine from toysource.com, which is actually a company based in Minnesota. They have really cool action figures and comic book statues and collectible figurines, so you should definitely go check them out. I'll put a little link in the description. But I had been looking for a 1/9 scale Spider-Man figurine, and it just so happened that one released in December of 2020 and was supposed to be here in February. Well, clearly it is May, it's late May as of when we're filming this, and it has just now arrived. So this was a pre-order, these are only just now starting to arrive places, and I know it's not a model horse, but I really plan on using this figurine in model horse related things. And it is 1/9 scale, so I have our little Emerson buddy here to kind of test that out when we get rolling. But let's go ahead and get this open. I'm so excited. Marvel. Ooh. All right, 1/9 scale Iron Spider action figure deluxe pack. So this is supposed to come with a bunch of different attachments. He's got a Infinity Stone. He's got Thanos' glove. Yeah. So it comes with a Tom Holland head for us to try out, a bunch of different hands. There should be spider webs in there. There's an actual stand for it to stand on. So this is supposed to be to scale with the model horses. It is supposed to be 1/9 scale. There's also a bunch of different lenses to interchange for the Iron Spider, like the actual mask. But let's go ahead and get this open. There's our stand. So he's got an actual base that he stands on. There's so much more to this than there is just popping the wire ties off of a briar. I would like you to leave, please. Good Lord. Excellent. Cool. Where to put all this? I'm assuming that this is either a little instruction manual. That's all in Japanese. There also are you guys can see the arms for the back, the actual Iron Spider legs for the back as well that are included in this. There's like 2 different webbing things, and it's detailing all the parts and all the angles that this can actually bend at, so that is definitely good for me to hang on to. I got another tray under here. There's all the Iron Spider legs that attach on the back, as well as a couple different types of webbing that attach to the gloves. I will not play with those just yet. We'll set those aside. But this is the actual action figure. Trying to do this very carefully so that none of the hands fall out. Oh my god, he's very heavy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yes, he's actually to scale. Incredible. How well do you bend? Because you should be able to. He's gonna be a little stiff. It does click. The clicking sound is not me breaking it. The clicking sound is the actual sound. But I guess I will check this and see just how much he can bend. So it's a 90, says that the legs should be able to bend to a 90-degree angle. Which that actually is far enough, but it does actually say a 90-degree angle. And then these down here are 120. So, and then you can point the toes upward. He could actually have a proper, leg position.
He can ride the horse.
Oh, he can ride the horse. Excellent. Excellent. So there's an infinity gauntlet, which actually I'll just remove right now so you can see, because that's not something that you actually attach. But there is the infinity gauntlet that has all the stones in it, which is really cool. Like I said, the goggles for the lenses for the mask. There's 4 different sets of hands. And then there's also a separate maskless head, which I will definitely use and take advantage of. The shoulder pads, according to the instructions, also pop off, which is interesting. And then the webs supposedly fit right into these little slots in the actual web shooters. So we'll play with this a little bit off camera, and then we'll show you guys some of the results.